How to add Stripe to Shopify. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site shopify.com. Make sure you are logged in to your specific account. Once you are in here, head over to settings at the bottom left corner and then move into payments. Inside payment, click on choose a provider. Different providers will be available to you, but in the search bar, search for Stripe. Below the Stripe, it says unavailable in your country, which means that you won't be able to use this provider in your country. But if it is available in yours, then what you want to do is click on it. First of all, enter your active email address, and then enter the password of your email address. Once it has been done, the Stripe provider will be added successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can add Stripe on Shopify. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and thank you for watching it till the end.